Hey, what up? It's your boy SkinnyGawd. That's Skinny_GAWD on IG. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I put up a new video. Hey, what up? It's your boy. Oh, Jesus Christ. I gotta shoot. Hey, yo, what up? It's SkinnyGawd. That's Skinny_GAWD on IG. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I put up a new video.
Yeah, it's Ib night. You already know what it is. You see the festivities. You see Denise. You see, already know what's going on. You see what's going on in here, man. We already know. Family out here. You already know.
The real cute one is here.
You already know. This, that, and third. Ib night. Shout out to all my homies. This, that, and third. Love y'all.
Here's the cutest.
Yeah.
Come on. I gotta do this. Stop it. Watch the camera. Alright, so today I planned a family beach day. It's Parker Family Beach Day. We took photos and we're hanging out on the beach. My mom is here, my dad's here, all my siblings is here, my aunt, we got friends, we got family. It's really so we're all white, and right now I'm feeling like a princess with my flower crown on. So we're gonna Jesus Christ, y'all messing up my video. So this video is gonna be about just tranquility and like bonding with your family. People forget how important their family really is, but I think being 30 now and like my life being different, I just decided to like put more into my family than my friends, which is something I never really did before. The photo shoot went good. That's my sister talking. She got a big mouth. Both my sisters are sitting right here, like right there on the other side of the camera, and it's just.
Somebody please tell her she's not my father. Wait, let's have a versus battle. 80s. Best of the 80s. Wait. Sing.
No, hold on.
I have a heat deeper than me. Let's go. 80s versus 80s. Well, he might not know 80s, but all the way music overall, he beat. Really? Hey, Evan, play that song about Thundercat and Kenny Loggins. I like that.
I got you.
Thundercat, reggae? No, Thundercat.
Pop, you enjoying your beach day?
Super fantastic.
Right? He don't got his mask on.
Yeah, having a good time, enjoying the fresh air.
Hey! Unc.
Check it out. Somebody else own everything.
Uncle Roger, you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Got your mask on? Can you breathe?
Yeah.
All right, he lit. Auntie, you lit?
I had some Corona.
Ah, Corona! Yes, getting real. Nia, you enjoying? Saida, you having a good time? Yes, Parker Family's Beach Day. Yes, get ooh, ah, yeah, ah. What y'all gotta say? Parker Family Beach Day.
Parker Family Beach Day was litty.
Liddy. What you gotta say? Look at little Audrey. Little Audrey, how old are you?
17.
You about to graduate? Yo, you about to graduate. You didn't this year, thank God, right? So you gonna get to walk. You should get to walk across the stage.
You gotta be litty.
For real, you gotta
You gotta do something like
Jordan think he's cute. Who are you? Yes. Look, those are my sunglasses, so you don't like. Those are mine. They look better on me, but you can borrow them. She can borrow them. Are you guys enjoying Parker Family Beach Day? Yay! Parker Family Beach Day, the Stones. Hey! Who else? Oh, I'm going to the water. What? water cold. Woo! Woo!
Why that thing so if it always back over here so years?
Mom, are you enjoying Parker Family Beach Day? Yay! This is a fun time. Hey. Hey, what up? It's your boy SkinnyGawd. That's Skinny_GAWD. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I put up a new video. Okay.
Yeah.
How you do it like that? Whoop, Popo, whoop. Whoop, pull over. Pull over. Get it, Tiny, get it. Why? I'm not doing it right, bro. Come on. Oh! Here we go. I got it. My turn. Here we go. Oh, that was some bullshit. Oh! How you feel like you was gonna catch it? Come on, sis. Woo! Go ahead. All right, look at the wrist. Wait. Look at this. Go ahead, take it. Yo, mine, it's the wind. The wind is, you got the direction of the wind on your side. It's the wind. It's the wind. Go fish. It's the wind. Oh, airway.
Ain't come to me, man.
I tried. Nice try, man.
It was close.
Come on, sis. Ooh. What up? What? See, it's the wind, Taita. The wind is blowing it that way. Come on, let's go. I got that on video. We lit at the beach with it.
Black Lives Matter, you heard?
So how are you enjoying your beach day, sister?
You know, I just feel like, you know, a lot of white men going like this.
I'm saying.
I would.
You see that sand? That's white sand.
Let me tell you.
You see this hand? That's a black hand. Oh, good. Why they in the front? I'm saying.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
I'm saying. Black Lives Matter.
How do you enjoy the beach?